taking the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. So I'm going to start off by taking my transition color, which is going to be this orangish, brownish color. I'm just going to put that above my crease. I really don't know where I'm going with this look right now, y'all, but we just going to see as I go, okay? I wanted to do something that matched this little halter top I got on. Super cute. So I'm just building up this color right now. I don't want it to be, you know, too dark, but I still want y'all to be able to see it. I got the fan, the airplane, people building a house across the street. The second shade that I'm going to be going in with is the brown. And I'm going to put it, I guess, like directly in my crease now. I'm trying to think if I should go in with a lighter shade. I do have this orange, kind of like creamsicle color. Yeah, I'll go in with that. Not too much, just a little bit on top of that transition color that I had, just to brighten it up a little. Yo, it's really a struggle having glasses, well, needing glasses and trying to be a bad bitch. Like, and then one of my eyes is like really blurry or like cloudy, and the other one is just blurry. I think they call it astigmatism or something like that. And every time I ask for contact, I'm gonna go back in with the second shade that I used. They saying like, oh, they don't make them. How long is it gonna take y'all to make some contacts for me? That's what I'm trying to figure out, because it's just too much. I wanna, like, I bought me a lot of shades from Shein for the summertime. Can't even wear them unless I wanna not be able to see. So I decided to just go in with a regular gold. Let me show you how it looks. Let's talk. I know we don't know each other like that yet, because this is my second video, I believe. But let's just get into it, okay? So I feel like this year for me, hold up, not me trying to talk and can't talk while I'm putting this on, but this year for me is really just about growth. The last 2 years has been like really hard for me. I feel like, you know, just regular stuff, like stuff that you go through as you grow up. Nothing too traumatic, but still traumatic, very traumatizing to me, if I'm being honest. But this year for me, I just really want to do something and stick to it. Like, I want to find what I'm good at and just excel in it, like, honestly. And I am only 22, so I know at 22 you can't expect to just have everything together, but I'm just ready. I just feel like I can be doing so much more, and I could just be achieving so much more if I didn't procrastinate all the time. So for the rest of this year, get into it, because like I said, the last 2 years have been really rough for me, and now that I'm in the right headspace, I feel like I need to get my stuff together. So now I'm gonna just go in with a black eyeliner, line the eyelid, I don't know, line the top of it. Yo, I'm having a hard time because I don't know what to do. Okay, hold on. Alright, so I just tried. I don't know if it really worked, but basically I lined the inside of my eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this liquid eyeliner by NYX. Alley Crown Beauty lashes. I got them from Amazon. Sit back and relax, because I can barely put lashes on either. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I forgot that, what is this, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer? When it dries, that's it. Cause I was trying to let it dry down a little bit just so it can give me like a full coverage or whatever. Don't do that. Don't do that. But silly me, babe. Tell me how could I ever forget to be your lover? So now I'm gonna go in with the Hydrating Camo Concealer. So moving on to contour, I'm going to go into my Morphe contour palette in AR. I really feel like I don't need none on my forehead, but I'm going to still go in with it. Satin powder that's still sitting on my face. I need to brush that into my face. So I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques brush, this contour brush. I'm going to take this brush. It's giving a little flat, still puffy though. Powder. So I'm just going to take the blush that's inside of the my Morphe contour palette that I've been using. I'm going to just take that and I'm going to kind of put it on top. I'm going to go in with the gold highlighter that's in my contour palette. Also, I'm going to take some on my brow bone for a little va-va-voom, you know. Now for my lip combo that I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be taking my Morphe lip liner in the shade Trendsetter. I love this lip liner, y'all. It's just so creamy. Very smooth. It just glides on. It did what it's supposed to do and a little bit more. Actually, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for y'all. But don't be looking at my peach fuzz or my mustache. Don't look too much. So after I put on Trendsetter, I'm gonna go in with 800 by Morphe. Now that I have Trendsetter on and I have the Morphe lipstick in the shade 800, I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, and I'm going to just put a little bit on, not too much. Go back in with some liner. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Spray, and I used this once. When it spray like white dots, so I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully it don't, but it probably will. Yeah. Y'all, so this is the final look right here. Y'all can definitely leave some comments for me. Let me know what y'all want to see, because I'm here to stay. Okay, yeah, I'm here to stay. So I'm gonna definitely have some more videos coming for y'all soon. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and until next time.